The STS XPD-924D may be the fastest dual-head DTF printer on the market, engineered in Japan for professionals who refuse to compromise. At its core are dual staggered AccuFine HD printheads delivering unmatched precision, producing fine lines and smooth gradients up to 1200 by 900 dpi. Print speeds can reach 180 square feet per hour, so you can tackle high-volume jobs without sacrificing quality. The continuous white ink circulation system keeps ink flowing consistently, reducing maintenance and maximizing uptime. Automatic features like DropMaster alignment, FeedMaster, and Media Tracker ensure every job runs smoothly, even for new operators. The XPD-924D comes bundled with neoStampa RIP software, so you're production-ready right out of the box. A high-precision aluminum rail system, side-mounted LAN and power connections, and internal LED lighting make operation effortless and efficient. An improved front dryer cuts drying time by 20%, while built-in sensors handle auto-cleaning and maintenance to keep you moving. And when it comes to versatility, the XPD-924D prints on nearly any fabric, from untreated cotton and polyester to nylon, denim, and leather. User-replaceable printheads and job cost analysis tools put you in control of every detail. Fast, reliable, profitable. The STS XPD-924D is everything you need to grow your business without limits.